In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Microsoft Outlook. We've all hit send and immediately wished we hadn't. The recall feature in Outlook is designed for exactly those moments, letting you try to remove an unread message from recipients' inboxes or replace it with a corrected version. It isn't a magic undo button in every scenario, but used correctly, it can save you from confusion and follow-up emails. First, open Outlook and head to your Sent Items folder. This is where Outlook stores messages you've already sent. Find and open the email you want to recall. Make sure you actually open the message in its own window, not just preview it in the reading pane. The recall option only appears when the message itself is open. With the message open, look at the toolbar ribbon across the top and select the Message tab. In that tab, choose Actions, then click Recall this message. Depending on your Outlook layout and version, actions might sit in the Move group and the command might be labeled slightly differently, but it will be called Recall this message. A recall dialog will appear with two choices. The first option is delete unread copies of this message. Choose this if you simply want to remove the message as long as it hasn't been opened yet by the recipient. The second option is delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Pick this if you need to correct a mistake, add missing details, or update an attachment. When you select replace, Outlook opens a new editable version of your original email so you can make your changes and send the corrected message as the replacement. After selecting the option that fits your situation, click OK to proceed. Outlook will attempt the recall in the background. In many environments, you'll receive a status message later indicating whether the recall succeeded or failed for each recipient. A few important notes to set expectations. Recalls generally work best when both you and your recipients are using Outlook with Microsoft 365 or Exchange in the same organization. The original message is still unread and it remains in the recipient's inbox. If the message was already opened, moved by a rule, forwarded, or the recipient is outside your organization or using a different email client, the recall may not succeed. That's normal behavior. Act quickly for the best chance of success. And when replacing a message, keep your subject line clear so recipients understand they're seeing an updated version. Finally, check your sent items and any recall status messages to confirm the outcome.